Have you ever spent hours trying to make something look good and still hated it when you were done? What if one single button could just do it for you instead? Google just quietly added exactly that to AI Studio, and it's completely free. It went live recently, and most people haven't even noticed it sitting right there in the tool they already use. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business, and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Quick backup in case this is new to you. Google AI Studio is a free site from Google. You head there, type out what you want, and it helps you build apps, pages, and little tools using Google's Gemini models. You don't need to know how to code at all. You just describe your idea in normal, everyday words, and it builds it for you right inside your browser. A lot of people call this vibe coding. You're basically talking your idea into existence. And the best part, it's completely free to jump into. You just sign in with a Google account and you're good to go. Now, here's the wall almost everyone runs into with this. The building part is actually easy these days. The AI handles that fine, making it look good. That's where it falls apart. You sit there trying to put a vibe into words, make it modern, make it clean, make it feel high end, and the AI kind of guesses, and you keep going back and forth, and it never quite lands the way you pictured it. Putting a look into words is genuinely hard, even for people who are good at describing things. So Google built a button to handle it for you. It's called Design Variations. Here's exactly what it does. You tap one button and it instantly generates a batch of fresh new layouts for your app, different styles, different fields, all laid out at the same time. Then you look through them, pick your favorite, and apply it in a single click. No giant paragraph of a prompt, no spelling out fonts and colors and spacing by hand. Just click, look, choose, and you're done. Say, you build something in AI Studio, it works fine, but it looks kind of plain. Before this update, you'd be typing out paragraphs trying to describe the exact style stuck in your head, hoping it lands right. Now you just tap Design Variations. Google lays out a handful of brand new versions of your design. You scroll through them like you're picking out an outfit. One feels bold, one feels soft, and simple. One feels crisp and clean. And you click the one that fits. The whole app switches to that look instantly. Something that used to swallow your entire afternoon now takes a couple of seconds. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now, some of you are probably thinking, does the design really matter that much? It actually does a lot more than people assume. People size something up in a fraction of a second before they've even read one single word. They've already made a call in their head based purely on how it looks. A clean, sharp layout makes people stick around and keep exploring. A messy, cluttered one sends them running in the other direction almost immediately. So being able to try a whole stack of different looks in seconds isn't some small nice to have feature. It's genuinely the line between something people scroll straight past and something they actually stop and pay attention to. And this fits into something bigger that's been happening across all of Google's AI tools lately. We're at the point now where the actual building part is basically handled for you. The AI can put the thing together without much friction. So the new skill that actually separates people isn't knowing how to build anymore. It's taste. Knowing what looks good, knowing what feels clear, knowing what makes someone want to stay instead of leaving. Design Variations drops a pile of solid options right in your lap instantly, but you're still the one who has to choose well between them. That part is still entirely on you, and it's a skill you get sharper at the more you actually practice it. So a few quick things worth knowing if you want to get the most out of this. First, give it a real layout before you tap the button. Design Variations does its best work when there's already something to build off of. So put your page together first, get the main pieces roughly in place, then ask for variations. Start from a completely blank screen and you'll get Blender, more generic options back. Second, don't just grab the first shiny option you see. Take a beat, line them all up, and actually look at them side by side. The flashiest design isn't always the one that works best. Sometimes the plainer, more boring option is the one people actually find easiest to use. Third, you're allowed to keep going. This isn't a one and done kind of tool. Apply a look, fill it out, and if something's off, tap the button again for a completely fresh set. Most people quit way too early on this, and the best options usually show up after a couple of rounds, not the first one. One more thing worth knowing: Design Variations pairs well with the other design tools already built into AI Studio. It's perfect for nailing the whole overall look in one shot, but you don't have to stop there. AI Studio also lets you draw directly onto your app inside the preview and tell it exactly what to change. So the smart move is to use Design Variations to land a strong base layout fast, then go back and tweak the small details by hand afterward. Big look first, then polish second. That combination gets you to a finished result way faster than sitting there wrestling with prompts all day trying to describe every little detail. This is exactly the kind of update that quietly changes how fast you can move once you actually start using it. It went live recently, it's completely free, and it's sitting right there inside a tool a lot of people already have open but have never fully explored. That's usually how the biggest shifts in this space happen, not with some massive headline announcement, but with one quiet button that changes how much time something actually takes you. The people getting real results from AI right now aren't the ones who know the most about it. They're the ones who actually open the tool, click around, and figure out what it can do before everyone else catches on. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.